Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the repeated piano parts throughout Mockingbird by Eminem. So I want to teach you exactly what you heard in the preview. I've left any other Eminem tutorials I have made linked in the description, so go and check that out. Let's dive in. This one is in the key of E minor. So on the screen now are all the notes to the scale of E minor. So these are the notes we're working with. Here is middle C as a reference point, so if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. On the top screen, the left hand will be blue and the right hand will be orange. So I'm going to teach this in two halves. We're going to do the right hand bit first, so the melody. Again, here is middle C, so we're going to start with this B. So the notes are on the top screen. B, G, 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 and then F sharp, and then F sharp again. So I'll just play that first. And then we have B and E, followed by A. Then we come down to F sharp and A, so as a chord, and then G and B. So let's do that again from the B and E. So from the beginning we have So I'll teach the left hand with that now. You have two options. The left hand's playing in fifths with octaves. So here we have E, B, E. If you can't stretch the octave, just play E and B. So we have E, B, E, so it's or an E5. And then we come down, move that shape down to C5, which is C, G. And then if you can, add the C on top. And then we have moved that shape up again to D5, which spells dad, D-A-D, or just D and A. So I'll just play what we've done so far, and then I'll show you with the right hand. So with the right hand, this first little bit goes, we play the B together with the E5, and then on this G, we play the C5, and then move the hand to D5 and play the F sharp, and then back to E5 with E. I'll do that again without talking. They're all the chords basically, those three chords in the left hand. However, this next bit, it's based around E5, but we're just going to be breaking up the notes slightly in the left hand. So we have the B and E with just the E's, or just a single E if you can't stretch octaves. So we have, and then we play a B, and then an E by itself. And then with this A, we come down to the C5. So I'll do that again. B, E. And then with the D5, we play the F sharp and A. And then with the E5, we play G and B. So I'll do that again from from the beginning, we have then we almost repeat that again. So the first bit, there's just a slight variation in the right hand. So we have the, and then we play the G still with the C5, but we go A, G, F sharp, F sharp. So we just have that A in there. I'll do that again. And this bit is the same. The next bit is similar. So we have the, slightly different. So we have the E octaves with the B and E, and then B, E and B together, and then the C5 with the A, and then we play a G at the end. So I'll do that again. And then the last bit, we play A with the D5, and then we play G, F sharp, and then we play E in the right hand, but then E and B in the left hand, because we're already playing that with the right hand there, that E. So again, we have, and then there's a little bit at the end which sort of links it back to the repeat. So we just then repeat all of that from the beginning again. So it goes G, B, E at the end. And it links it back round. So I'll just do it from the second half. Okay, so we're going to play it all the way through, just a couple of rounds, so you can see sort of how it repeats. From the very beginning, I'll keep it slow. A bit quicker. End of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.